Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of What a Mess. Now, since the last video, I basically installed the same thing for my Gentex Commander here. Let me just make it look a little nicer. There we go. So, Wheelock Exceeder and Gentex Commander are now both set up. So basically, multiply the last video times 2, and that's about how long it took to set up my Commander as well. So now I'm going to pull station. Both of these are off. You can see my pull station is now open and ready. Now I'm going to activate my Commander. Now my Exceeder. Well, now both. So you can see I now have individual control of them and one activation point. So if I turn them both on, say, and I activate my alarm, they both go off. So what I'm planning to show you guys today is I want to hook up my panel silent switch into the system. Because right now, we got basically pull the alarm, it goes off. You reset the pull station, it goes back to normal mode. I want to throw in just a little bit something more interesting. We'll get into the acknowledge a little bit later. But yeah, let's get right into it. First of all here, this is my wiring terminal, and it's pretty messy right now. Oh boy. The wire just broke. Okay. Breaking news, my negative wiring terminal just broke. So real quick, I'm just gonna fix that problem, hopefully. I don't have a wire stripper, so this usually takes a little bit longer than I would like it to. And of course, nothing ever goes as planned. Please stand by. Maybe I should just restart the video. I'll consider that. Yeah, I'm restarting.